So garlic aioli is fairly simple to make, and it's a great addition to a lot of things. Start out with a cup of mayonnaise. Follow that up with about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then you can add in 4 to 8 cloves of garlic, depending on your preference. I chose 8 for a stronger garlic flavor. Follow that up with the juice from half of a lemon. After you've added that, add about a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, although any salt will do. Follow that up with about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Once you have all your ingredients, go ahead and blend that up. I'm using a NutriBullet here. However, if you don't own a blender, you can just mince your garlic and go ahead and whisk all your ingredients together then, and it should still come out great. Afterwards, you can go ahead and add to your sauce bottle of choice. I would let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so before using, just to absorb more of that flavor. And then you can go ahead and serve it up with a smash burger, sandwiches, fries, roasted vegetables, and it goes great with a variety of other things.